Hey guys, welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you are new here, special welcome. In this video, I will show you how to fix this. So the first thing that we are going to do right here is to go into our search bar and then search for Windows Security. After that, just click Windows Security right there. And then in this part, what we're going to do is to look for App and Browser Control. So click on this. And then in this part, you will see this Smart App Control. So click on Smart App Control Settings. And then in this part, if it is turned on, what we're going to do is to turn it off first. So once you do that, what you're going to do next is to try and download the software or application that you are trying to download, and then that should fix your problem. Now, once it is done, and then let's say, for example, you want to turn this on back again, what we're going to do is to go here on the search bar and then search for regedit, and then click open. And then in this part, what you are going to do is to go into this path. So just look for HK local machine and then go to system and then go to current control set and then go to control and then CI and then policy. Once you're now here, you will see this. So we're going to right click on the verified and then we're going to click on modify. After that, we're going to change the value data from 0 to 1. After that, I just click on OK. And then after that, restart your PC. Once you do that, that should fix your problem. So that is basically it.